Hello everyone, welcome back to our brand new series, Tenses Master Series. So have you ever wondered why do we say I play, I played, I am playing and I have played? If yes, then this series is just for you. Over the next few days, we will learn all the 12 tenses in a simple and easy way. So each lesson is only 3 minutes, packed with easy explanation, real life examples and quick practice questions. So don't miss a single episode. Watch every lesson in order and practice with me. And by the end of this lesson, you will be able to use English tenses with confidence. So let's begin with day 1, simple present tense. Before we learn the rule, let me ask a simple question. What do you do every morning? आप हर सुबह क्या करते हो? Maybe your answers are I brush my teeth, I drink milk, I go to school. So, do you do these things only today? No, you do these things regularly. So, whenever we talk about our daily routine, habits, or something happens regularly, so we use their present tense, means we use their simple present tense. So what is a simple present tense? Simple present tense tells us about daily routine, habits, facts and regular actions. So if it happens every day, think it's a simple present tense. Now let's see the formula. Subject plus verb की first form. So we use first form of the verb. Let's see the examples. I play football, we study English, they eat lunch together. But there's one important rule. With he, she, it and with singular subject, we add s or es to the verb. अगर हमारा subject he, she, it है या फिर वो singular subject है, means किसी एक person का नाम लिखा हुआ है, so there we add s और es to the verb. तब वहाँ पर हम verb में s और es ऐड करते हैं, means we use verb की first form and then add s और es. Let's see the examples. He plays football. So what we add with play means verb की first form में हमने क्या ऐड किया? s. Play, plays. Next, she drinks milk. So what we use? Drinks with the सब्जेक्ट शी सब्जेक्ट के साथ हमने क्या किया? एस का यूज किया वर्ब के साथ. नेक्स्ट, इट रेन्स अ लॉट इन जुलाई. सो रेन्स, सो ही शी इट के साथ हम ऐड करते हैं एस और एस किस में? वर्ब में. Now let's see some real life examples. I wake up at 6 o'clock every day. So it's a daily routine. So that's why we use verb की first form, wake. Next is she reads a book every night. So it's a habit. So we use reads. S जोड़ दिया हमने. Next is the sun rises in the east. So it's a fact. ये fact है तो वहाँ पर भी हम simple present का use करते हैं. Rises. Next is our school starts at 8 a.m. So it's a timetable. So can you see all these actions happen regularly? So we use simple present tense. So he, she, it plus सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट के साथ हम वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म में एस और ई एस ऐड करते हैं और अदर सब्जेक्ट के साथ हम वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म का ही यूज करते हैं. So today we learn simple present tense in just a few minutes. So tomorrow we will learn simple past tense and discover how it different from the simple present tense. So stay tuned and practice today's lesson. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe and see you in day 2.